I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials in place. Sign into the same Microsoft account on both the Xbox and the laptop so permissions match, and connect them to the same network, Wi-Fi or wired for stability. Once done, make sure both systems are updated to the latest OS and Xbox firmware. Updates often fix streaming bugs. Next, enable network discovery on Windows and ensure the Xbox allows game streaming in its settings. These steps let the devices see and trust each other before you proceed. Now you enable the streaming path. On the Xbox, go to Settings, then Devices and Streaming, enable remote features and allow connections. On your laptop, open the Xbox app, open the Console tab, and select Add a Console or Connect. The app will search the network. When it finds your Xbox, choose Stream or Remote Play and accept any prompts on the console. This step creates an active streaming session. Make sure your laptop's firewall allows the Xbox app through so the stream isn't blocked. To finish, tailor the streaming quality inside the Xbox app. Lower bitrate if you see lag, increase it for sharper visuals when bandwidth allows. Prefer wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce latency and frame drops. If the connection fails, restart the router, the Xbox, and the Xbox app on the laptop. This clears temporary network states and often restores discovery. If problems persist, check that both devices share the same Microsoft account and that no background download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.